Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper refrigerator door hinge in the KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 3/16 hex key driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper refrigerator door hinge. This door hinge is mounted at the top of the refrigerator door. It holds the door and allows it to swing easily back and forth. If the refrigerator door won't close properly or it makes noise when it moves, check the upper refrigerator door hinge and replace it if needed. Alright, so we're going to climb up on the top of the fridge here on the fresh food door side, and we need to take these two black screws out. That's 3/16 hex key. Don't take these silver screws out. Don't need to. Make sure that the door is closed tight. This is the old upper refrigerator door hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is our new door hinge. I'm going to place this pin into the opening. And I'm going to align the holes. Those two silver screws would be like a pilot screws. You don't need to realign the door because of those two pilot screws. And then I'm going to secure it with a couple of 3/16 screws here. I'm going to use these 3/16 hex key and tighten them. Alright, plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.